I'm not sure what you think about this. I know you do a lot of this deeper math, that maybe these Cybertrucks that are being manufactured right now might only be costing about 85,000, even including the level of ramp that it's in, with the higher overhead expense, the higher expenses from R&D and stuff that needs to be now put into the price of the cars in the early going, that they might only be costing 85,000, and they're selling them for 100 to 125. So that would potentially have a good impact on the bottom line if they can keep these numbers up and get them bigger.
Yeah, right now they're delivering the all-wheel drive. The Cyber Beast is supposed to be later this year. I'm guessing maybe the Cyber Beast will be next year. But yeah, it's at 100,000 a clip right now with the Foundation series. So my VIN is in the range of 3,800. I know someone who's picking up their Cybertruck today who got a VIN in the 5,000 range.
Wow.
So it had a 5 on it. Yeah, I hope that Tesla continues to sell the Foundation series. They just go down the whole list.
Right.
Might as well go through all 2 million pre-orders and see, who will take it at the higher price. And then they can start down the list again. They can go through it again.
Yes, they've already passed me over because I was not willing to pay the 100,000.
Yeah.
So I think our number is like 166 or 167,000.
Yeah.
So we got our offer, and we're in California, so we got our offer a few weeks ago. But I was like, I think we'll wait. Although if my wife had been willing to Turo it out, I would have taken it now.
Allegedly, the Foundation series, they were only going to make 1,000. But I don't think they should just stop at 10,000 just because they do it. If people are willing to pay the money, go ahead and do it, Tesla.
That's right.
And then, once no one else will do it at that price, then go ahead and drop it down.
Absolutely. Absolutely. If you happen to be a big fan of the Cybertruck, you might also be interested in this super fun Cybertruck refrigerator magnet and bottle opener. It is made out of super thick stainless steel, just like the Cybertruck, and it has this giant magnet on the back, so it's going to hold a lot of stuff on your refrigerator. It's an amazing gift, and it comes in that great gift box that you saw before. That uses a magnet opener, just almost like an Apple box, like when you get Apple products. You can buy it on Amazon for $29.95, or you can buy it direct from me by sending $25 to paypal.me/Randy Kirk, all in lowercase letters. Please indicate whether you want the stainless steel look, or maybe you'd like to have this very clever camo version. And then if you're not in the US, please add $20 for freight. If you'd like more than one, please check the information below to get pricing, as well as all that information I just told you will be repeated in the information below. So once again, think about joining the channel, getting the up-to-date Tesla news every single day. I think you'll be glad you did.